tracks.
What's poppin'? What's droppin'? Alicia World gang. Today I'm gonna be doing the how to make a thumbnail and upload it to YouTube video. This video is gonna be so helpful to any new YouTubers because this video is gonna teach you the cheap and easy way to make a thumbnail. So before we get into this video, I want you to like, comment, and make sure you hit the subscribe button because this is gonna really help you. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so basically, I like to use the website called Pixlr. So once you get here, just push open Pixlr editor, and it'll take you to this page right here. So then you want to click create a new image, and we're going to call this thumbnail, just something simple. And then for the YouTube thumbnail template, you want it to be 1280 by 720. And then some people hit transparent. I don't really hit it all the time, but whatever you want to do. And then just push OK. So then it'll take you to this white screen, and I like to just maximize it just like so. And then what I like to do is I like to add a layer. So this will be my picture or whatever. So I'm just gonna pick whatever type of picture. So let's open an image. So if you have a picture, whatever that you would like to use, so just go to your files and find the image. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I just found this on Google not too long ago, but if you want to go on Google, just find you a picture, and as you can see, it's like this. So you see this little icon right here that I have that I'm using. You want to click move tool because it helps you move it better. This is actually a crop tool, so you don't want that. You want the move tool, which is Y. Sorry, not Y, it's V. So then you want to move it. If you would like to change like the shape or whatever, just go up here to edit and go to free transform. And as you can see, these little things, you can bring it down, you know, move it around. I'm gonna just move it like this, and I'm gonna keep it like that. Let's put these, see, it got snowflakes in it. I don't want the snowflakes, so we're gonna bring it down here just like that, so you can see barely the snowflakes, and just like this color. Then you want to click off of there and just push yes that you want to change it. And we're just gonna keep adding stuff. If you want, you can go to Google and, you know, get some emojis. Always make sure if you're getting emojis, push transparent or PNG emojis, because you don't want like the white background or the black background to be in your video as well. But I already got some, so I'm gonna bring those up too. So you want to always go to layer, open images, layer. Like I got this emoji, I was gonna say a T, but a tree emoji, a Santa Claus emoji. I'm just gonna get this one and bring it down, as you can see. And then I'm gonna transform it like I said, free transform, change the shape, and we're gonna put this right here, just like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add a title. So one thing that I don't like is the titles that they provide for you. They provide like these just basic titles. So that's why I have this other website up here. It's called thefont.com. If you want good fonts and stuff, please go to this this website. It's everything is basically free to use, so you can download the package. I will have to do another video on how to like actually download it, but I just wanted to bring this up that I love their fonts. They have so many to choose from, different types. Like they got like Chinese, Arabic, different decorations, a bunch of stuff. So I already got a couple, and they are downloaded as well. And the ones that I use is Blow Brush. I use that a lot. So I'm gonna just call this thumbnail as well. And yeah, like I said, I like the blow brush. Then you want to change the size, you know, bring it up here. If you want to change the color, like I want to keep it black, but I'm gonna have a white outline. So this is what it looks like. Let me go to my move tool. So this is what it looks like. If you want to outline it, you can push add mask, which is add layer mask, and then you want to push layer styles. So you want to push outer glow, and if I move this, you can see a little bit that's like a blue color, but push outer glow because that's going to give it like a bounce to it. They got inner glow or whatever, but we're going to push outer glow. And you want to pull this up. First pick a color because we can barely see that blue. So I'm going to pick white because I feel like white is good. And bring the color up. As you can see, the color is changing. Like the surroundness of it is changing. So you just want to bring this up. I don't like it like that. I like it like at least right here. So that's that. If you want to add, what else would we like to add? And that's basically like the whole overlay of the title, and that's about it. So I think this is good. Normally I add more, but this is just a run for you guys to see how to use this. You know, these are eraser. You just have to play around with the technology that they have in here. And to save it, you just want to go to save. And as you can see, your nail, this is the name. So I put thumbnail. We got, I like this one, JPEG. PNG is for like transparent stuff. So just keep it what it came with and just push OK. And then it'll say this is the file name and everything, and you just want to hit save. Once you hit save, it's done. So now I'm going to show you guys how to add it to YouTube. So once you get to YouTube, basically you just want to go to create a video. I'm going to just use a video that I already posted or something, because I'm not going to actually add this to YouTube. But just, you know, go in here. And I'm actually going to push this to private. I'm going to just put it private just in case if I accidentally post it. And then let's just get a video. Let me find a video. I'm going to put like an intro or whatever. It doesn't matter. Alright, so once your video is in, you want to, I have a whole bunch of other stuff because I have like this YouTube helper stuff over here. It's going to be loading down here, and they're going to pick 3 different pictures from the actual video. But as you know, we just did a thumbnail that we would like to add, so we'll customize the thumbnail when this is done. It's almost done. Got, alright, so just wait till these are done loading. Alright, so when they are done loading, as you can see, there's 3 different pictures down here. You want to go to custom thumbnail, and you want to go to downloads and find that picture that you made. So let's keep going, and until we find it. It's going to be under here somewhere. Okay, y'all, so once you find it, as you can see, these are where this is it right here. You just want to click it once and then click open, and as you can see, it's uploading. And once it's uploaded, you don't have to do anything because it already picks it for you. And when you go up here, it should be processing, and there it is, y'all. It's already processed and the thumbnail is in its spot, and I'm so glad that you guys got to see this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, like I said, to Alicia World. And this is it. This is the thumbnail. I'm not gonna, you know, post this because this is just like an intro or whatever. So that's about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. You know, I tried my best to, you know, help you guys, because I know how it is when, you know, you can't find a video that's, you know, suitable for your channel. You're just like, oh my gosh, where do I go? But that's about it, y'all. That's about it. I'm gonna leave it there. And like I said, comment, like, subscribe. That was it. And that's about it, y'all. Bye.